guys, as always, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you when I did my 48-hour fast. As always, the rules apply as for my all previous fasts. So you shouldn't fast if you're under 18. You shouldn't fast if you've got any medical conditions or you need to see a doctor. If you're a beginner, do watch my first video where I do 36-hour fast. It's really suitable for beginners. This one is also for beginners, but I always recommend doing one day first and then seeing how you get on before attempting a 2-day fast. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, I love your feedback, so leave all your comments down below and let's motivate each other. If you're starting it, let's do it. We'll support you guys. Morning guys, so I'm about to start my 48-hour fast. Just want to show you, I was gonna wear a bikini. These are like my bikini tops. Feeling again bloated. I feel like this is all the case with me all the time. So yeah, we shall see what happens in 48 hours. Fasting for 2 days. I measured my weight just now on the scales. Sorry, my room's a mess. Yeah, we shall see. I'm actually starting my morning with exercise. Gonna do a 20-minute workout and drink lots of water. So I start my morning with a giant glass like this. I've got my filtered water. So I add usually about, well, half or so. So then I squeeze lemon in there. The reason why it looks like that is because I used some lemon zest for the recipes. So it looks a bit funky. So, I mean, just squeeze, 1/3 of a lemon. It's quite strong because we're going to be adding here some honey and apple cider vinegar, and that's the recipe. So I use this organic cider vinegar, which people recommended. So if you drink apple cider vinegar in the mornings, let me know. Do you see any effect? I've started only drinking this for a couple of days. So far I don't see any results, and it tastes absolutely disgusting. And then the main thing in the morning, what I do, I drink really hot water. So it needs to be about 50 degrees. So I'm going to add the hot water. I'm just going to add a tiny bit because I'm going to have honey for breakfast. Just going to swirl that in. And then I try and drink this as quickly as I can. So I just finished my yoga and my workout. Oh, feeling very, good actually now. So I'm going to have my first and last breakfast, and this is going to be my first meal today, and then I'm going to start my fast. So yeah, nearly 10 o'clock. Milo, how you doing, buddy? So I'm gonna have my giant breakfast right now. I've got Rivita crackers with almonds, prunes, apricots, cherry tomatoes, and my vegetable egg frittata. Very, very healthy. Got my dark chocolate, my lemon ginger shot, honey, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna eat the protein bar just because it's not enough protein here. Hi guys, so I'm just going for a nice walk with Milo. It's such a lovely warm day, so I'm gonna try and get like maybe 1 hour in of walking. I feel so full from my breakfast, and yeah, so far it's all going well, but it's only been a few hours. And like what I find easy about fasting is that you just don't focus on it at all. So kind of just live your life. You're gonna have so much extra time. You don't need time for breakfast, lunch or dinner in the next 2 days. So honestly, you're gonna have so much more time to do other things. So like self-care, I usually do like face masks, body scrubs, take care of your body because you're detoxifying. Hi guys, I just finished my walk, got back home, actually feeling hungry because that's usually the time where I would eat. It's 3 o'clock, well, it would be kind of in between. So feeling a bit peckish, but it's all in my head, not actually hungry physically. So gonna drink lots of water and tea. Guys, so it's 5 o'clock. I feel absolutely fine. Don't even feel hungry today. I am editing my videos. I'm editing my delicious cherry pie. And like I've mentioned in my previous videos, editing food videos doesn't actually make me hungry, a little bit, but then it's almost like satisfaction of watching it. Just to show you, this is what I've just edited and just uploaded it on the YouTube channel. This pie is actually amazing, but you shouldn't watch this. I feel absolutely fine. Haven't really felt bad today. I don't have any headaches. I actually feel fantastic. Not hungry at all. So I am, though, always recommending to get a lot of sleep when you're fasting, because your body obviously needs that energy. So I'm probably going to get in bed now, watch some stuff, watch some TV shows, and yeah, just get an early night around 9 p.m, 9:30. I know, I'm a grandma. But that's what you do when you fast. Plus, you know, I've done my exercise today. I did my yoga, I did my walk, so I don't want to overdo it. I will see how I feel tomorrow. I would imagine tomorrow will be a bit hotter. Hi guys, so I'm already in bed. I feel like such a grandma. I am moisturized, I put my face cream, did my whole routine, moisturized my body, even my feet. I know, it's so weird. I found this, like, basically I did a bit of cleaning today and I found this cream that is for your feet. So I was like, okay, gonna use that, why not? So I'm gonna do my deep meditation, very, very nice soundtrack guided meditation, and I guess fall asleep. Can't wait for tomorrow. Morning guys, just woke up, so I'll show you my progress. I lost 1 kilo. Still bloated. But yeah, it feels good to obviously lose a kilo. I know it's a lot of water and stuff, but still kind of mentally feels like you've done well. So I just went food shopping and I'm drinking my lemon vinegar water, very hot, 50 degrees. Not feeling hungry, but just more. Who wants to come in here? Hey, well, welcome to the club. He doesn't like when I close the door. What's up? How you doing? Oh, your eyes are all gooey. Oh, I am all good. I hope that when I drink the water it'll feel better. For some reason, when you do fast, sort of when I started in the morning, it feels mentally harder. I don't know why, because usually I fast from like 5 p.m. I stop eating, which is normal, and I sleep all night, and it already feels like, oh, I've done like 16 hours, and now it's only been 24 hours, but it feels like it's been much longer. So it's definitely something new I'm trying, because I wanted to wake up tomorrow and have the breakfast rather than have the dinner. But I might try different ways, you know, we'll see what happens. Yeah, anyway, I got loads of work to do today. So I don't know what happened to me after that coffee. I decided to do a workout. So I just did a 15-minute basically like burst workout where it's like jumps and squats and all that, and I feel amazing. I don't know if it's coffee. Coffee really works for me because I don't drink it, so then it becomes super hyper like this and I talk really fast. And now I'm gonna go for a walk because I've got all this energy, which is insane. Anyway, I'm gonna go for a long walk. It's very warm, so I don't know if it's questionable to go outside looking like this or if I should put more clothes on. I don't want to get arrested, so probably will put some clothes on. So we're just on our little walk. It's so sunny. I decided to walk and tan at the same time, wearing tiny shorts and whatever, you know. Gonna make the most of this weather since we're stuck at home. Need to get my vitamin D, and I have suntan lotion on. Hi guys, just thought I'll do a quick update. It's 4 o'clock, starting to feel a little bit hungry. My stomach's rumbling. I'm drinking more water. I'm not drinking as much water as I usually do. So recently I started kind of just listening to my body and not drinking as much. So I do tend to drink like 2 liters a day or so, but just kind of not overdrink it, because I used to overdrink, and I don't think that's good either. Especially if you're looking to lose weight, you're not advised to drink after like 6 p.m. So basically once you've had your dinner, have your water afterwards, like 30 minutes later, and then don't drink anything until the morning. I'm trying to stay busy. I'm studying right now, and I've done like some housework, hoovered and cleaned the house. Now I'm doing the clothes, washing the clothes. So I'm keeping busy. It's probably the best thing to do in, you know, when you're fasting, plus it's quarantine anyway, so you might as well make your house look nice and pretty. I'm looking forward to going to bed and getting up tomorrow morning and having food. I feel absolutely fine. To be honest, this has been quite easy for me. I don't know, maybe because I've done like a really long fast before, or maybe because I was prepared for it. So, you know, a lot of the times when you fail with fasting is when you're not mentally prepared. So I've been preparing myself for about 2 days that I'm going to do this fast, and I knew that I'm going to do it and I'm going to succeed. And I feel like, yeah, it's been successful. I'm going to bed. I'll wake up tomorrow morning and I'm going to have food. My stomach is rumbling a little bit, but nothing crazy. And I haven't felt weakness. I've actually, in fact, been very, very energetic. In fact, I have way too much energy. Yeah, Milo's, on the other hand, is passed out. Look at him. He's exhausted. These paws are hanging. So yeah, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Oh, God. I can't sleep. This is so frustrating. It's 11:42. I'm in bed. Oh, it's really bright. But yeah, just wanted to say, if you can't sleep, that's absolutely normal side effect. I just feel very awake. My head is really awake. My body's tired, but my head's awake. I've done my meditation, it didn't help. Oh gosh. I'm gonna try and sleep. Just wanted to let you all know that it's normal if you can't. Good night. I definitely feel lighter, and I feel like my abs are starting to show a little bit. Not there yet, but yeah, no, you know, you have that feeling like it's nice. You don't feel heavy because obviously there's not much food in you. So yeah, so I'm gonna weigh myself now, see the results. Okay, so the results are pretty good. Much better when I did my 1 day fasting. I lost a total of nearly 2 kilos. So that's quite a lot, but that's what you expect. Yeah, so I'm just excited to eat now. Hi guys, so I am officially about to finish my fast. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna break my fast with. It's just back to my healthy eating. So one thing that I get asked a lot is about, you know, do you gain the weight back after fasting? And the simple answer is yes, you do, but not all of it. And also, obviously on a like shorter fast, it's okay. The main thing, if you carry on eating for a couple of weeks healthy and exercising and doing the fast, you will see massive results. If you obviously fast and then eat crap food and junk food and greasy food, you're gonna gain weight back, of course. So it's really important to have a very nutritious diet. And it's not like a 1 day fixed solution or 2 days. You have to, this is my week 5, combining fasting, eating healthy and training. So I'm gonna see results in like 3 months. In 6 months, I'm gonna get to my perfect body, and you're gonna be seeing that because I'll be doing more fasts. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you my breakfast. So over here, I've got my healthy vegetable frittata. I have membership on my website where you can become a member and get access to all my recipes. I have all sorts of recipes, healthy recipes, meal preps, and everything. So you can check that out if you're interested. But this is what I made. So it's got chia seeds, it's got eggs, zucchini, mushrooms, tomatoes. I've got my dark chocolate square 70%, sesame Rivita biscuit, which basically has a lot of iron, very good for your stomach. And then I've got some tomatoes and 200 grams of berries, and that's what I'm gonna break my fast with, and some tea. Very excited. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'm gonna do my next fast, which is gonna be 3 days, 72-hour fast. So yeah, if you're starting your journey, don't be scared. Start slow,
Make sure you eat healthy, balanced diet. Make sure you train and incorporate fasting, and you will lose weight, I promise you. Yeah, see you soon.